Look at your kitchen for a moment. The bread on the shelf, the cereal in the cupboard, the frozen meals in the freezer, the snacks in your bag. Now here's a serious question. Are these foods slowly harming you? Or are they completely safe? Processed foods make up more than half of the modern diet. We eat them every day, often without thinking. But why do so many people blame processed foods for weight gain, low energy, digestive problems, diabetes, and heart disease? And why do others say processed food is not the real problem? Today we are cutting through fear, confusion, and misinformation. This is not a video to scare you. This is a video to educate you. This is the truth about processed foods. What processing really means. Let's start with a simple fact. Almost all food is processed in some way. Processing simply means changing food from its natural state. Washing vegetables is processing. Cutting fruit is processing. Cooking rice is processing. So no, processed food is not automatically bad. Types of processed foods. The real issue is how much processing happens and what kind of processing it is. Some foods are only lightly processed. These include washed vegetables, frozen fruits, plain yogurt, dried beans, and whole grains. These foods are processed mainly for safety and convenience. Moderately processed foods. Other foods are moderately processed. Examples include bread, cheese, canned vegetables, pasta, and cooking oils. These foods still look like real food, even though ingredients have been added. Ultra-processed foods. Then there are ultra-processed foods. This is where the real concern begins. Ultra-processed foods include sugary cereals, soft drinks, packaged snacks, instant noodles, processed meats, and fast food meals. Factory foods. These foods are not simply cooked. They are engineered. They are made in factories, not kitchens. They often contain artificial flavors, colorings, preservatives, emulsifiers, excess sugar, excess salt, and industrial oils. Many of these ingredients do not exist in home cooking. Meal comparison. Let's compare two meals. One plate contains grilled chicken, brown rice, and steamed vegetables. The other contains chicken-flavored nuggets, a white bun, and a sugary sauce. Both may be called a chicken meal, but your body reacts to them very differently. Why their addictive ultra-processed foods are designed to be cheap, taste intense, last a long time, and make you want more. This is not accidental. Blood sugar